Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So it's time for this month's Apocalyptic Beauty subscription bag unboxing and try on. I feel like I literally just filmed my one for October and I'm already filming this one. That month went by so incredibly quick, it's insane to me. Also, technically, I guess I never really specified. I just figured it was assumed since it's always like delivered at the beginning kind of end threshold of the month. But technically the ones that I'm filming were last month's theme. So the one I did for October was technically September's theme. This one that I'm doing now is technically October's theme. I personally wish maybe they could just switch that so that maybe it was just early in the month, like maybe just totally skip November's next month and just like make it December so that it can be in line with the month. And it also could just be when mine personally gets delivered. Maybe yours actually gets delivered in the month. But who knows? I think actually mine got delivered on Halloween this year, so I technically got mine a little early. Usually I get mine closer to, actually right now, it's the third one I'm filming this. I don't know when it'll go up though. Regardless, this theme is Pumpkin Queen. This is what the bag itself looks like. Cute orange see-through. I think I actually have a couple that look like this. Zane actually really likes these bags because he keeps dice for games or little computer parts, things like that in the bags. It's perfect. We got 4 things this month. It looks like we got 2 shadows and then a lip kit, which I've never gotten in here before. It's a liquid lipstick and a gloss. Cool. I'm getting ahead of myself though. Just in case you're new to one of these videos, the Apocalyptic Beauty bag is from the Apocalyptic Beauty brand. They're an indie brand. They also have their subscription service where they send you, it's usually 4 to 5 products from their line. It's, I think, $15 a month. I believe it's $15 a month. I do pay for it myself, but I am an affiliate with them as well. You can use my code beautbean if you want to save 15% on their site. It does not work for the subscription, but it does work for other things on their sites. I don't make direct money, but I do get store credit, so I'm able to buy more things to try out for you. Some of my favorite things from them are their setting sprays. I've been using the candy corn one just because it's the season, you know, it's fall, it's candy corn time. I love their chunky glitters. I love a lot of their eyeshadows so much. I love their liquid lipsticks and their glosses feel so good. I love so many of their products. I love this brand and you guys really seem to enjoy these videos and I like that I've introduced this brand to you. As of right now, I think my #1 favorite product from them is their setting sprays. I think the setting spray for the Recently Deceased is my #1 favorite. So yeah. We're gonna do some swatches of these products and then I'm going to put them all on my face. Let's just see what's in the bag. Yep, we got a liquid lipstick, a gloss, and 2 eyeshadows. Got a little business card as usual, and they always send candy that goes with the theme. This time we got candy corn. Do you like candy corn? Do you not like candy corn? I personally love candy corn. Well, I'm not gonna say I love it. Like, I'm not just gonna sit there and eat it all day every day, but I definitely snack on it this time of year, so I'm sure these will get eaten within the next week. All right, let's do some swatching. It looks like the lip kit, you're supposed to put on the liquid lipstick and then the gloss on top of it. I personally don't know if I'm gonna be wearing a black liquid lipstick with a gloss on it all day long because to me that's a little messy and I'm gonna be out doing errands all day, so I might not wear this lip kit long term, but I will try it on for you guys in the video. The black liquid lip is called Witching Hour. Ooh, that's super black. I like it. Their gloss is called Will-O-The-Whisp. What do you look like? Oh, it's pretty. It's like mostly clear with like this purpley pinky reflect. That's gorgeous. I could see dipping into just this gloss again for sure. And also the black liquid lip. I can't speak. Also the black liquid lip. I love me a good black lip. Let's swatch these shadows. Oh, we got a matte and a shimmer. So I can probably just do a nice 2 shadow look for you guys today. Usually I have to dip into another palette because they usually give me just shimmers. So this matte one is called Gourd. Ooh, this is an orange tone I can get behind. It's very squash-like. Oh, that's so pretty and it's so soft and creamy. I love it. It's clinging onto my gloss a little bit here. Oh, I like that. I can't wait to have that all in my crease. That's gonna be so cute. And this one is called, what are you called? Glamoween. Isn't it nice that I can pronounce all of the names in this box this time? Usually I struggle. I'm gonna swatch this dry and then I'm gonna swatch it over my NYX glitter primer because I always do, just because I like to show you guys the difference that the glitter primer makes. I say this every time. I love their shadows and I love their shimmers, but I love their shimmers with a glitter primer. They're just a little lackluster without it. Doesn't really do too much, but glitter primer makes a big difference for me. I'm gonna lay down some of my NYX glitter primer, which I desperately need to get more of. I'm running out and that stresses me out so bad. I'm actually probably gonna run and get some today. I've actually had this specific glitter primer forever. So I'm just gonna rub this on, wait a second for it to get nice and tacky, a little more dry, not super wet. Gonna dip right back into this shadow and just start kind of tapping it on. I did not have a lot on my finger just then. Do you see how much more just opaque and shiny that is in comparison? This is why I always use the glitter primer with these shadows. It just makes such a difference. But I honestly use glitter primer with every shimmer. It's not even just I'm picking on these. I always do that. So yeah, this is gonna be a really more simple look. I think I'm just gonna have the orange really blown out and then that shimmer across the lid. Maybe I'll do a big winged liner and maybe black smoked out on the lower lash line just to make it a little more spicy. And then I will try the gloss separately, the black separately, and then put the gloss on top. But I probably will inevitably end up taking it off just because I do have errands to run today and put on a lipstick that I know will last me for the day. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom you in, prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite, and we'll get started. All right, my eye is primed, not set because I prefer my base to be a little tacky, and we're just gonna dip into that Gorge shade. I'm actually just gonna dip into the cap because I don't want too terribly much on my brush. This brush is like a scone brush. The name is super rubbed off. I probably got it in like a subscription box. So I'm just gonna take that and just start working that through my crease, blending it in my outer corner, lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I just dipped into the shimmer. Oopsie, okay. Crisis averted. Oof. Oh my gosh, I grabbed so much on accident. I will have to take a clean brush and help blend this out. Did I make a mistake? I probably did. Holy cow, I did not mean to grab that much. It's okay. We'll get it worked out. It'll be fine. I'm not an orange eyeshadow person, but so many of you want me to use oranges so much more often, so you guys are gonna love this video. So I'm stuck using just oranges. I actually don't hate orange this time of year just because it's very Halloween-y, fall, autumnal. It's cute for that. It's just not my favorite color to wear. It's actually not blending out horribly considering I took way too much to start with. I did not mean to grab that much. I thought I grabbed way less. Proceed with caution, but at the same time, I prefer pigmented stuff. Goes a long way. Okay, so I'm actually going to dip into my Lunatic Labs, and I'm just going to take this yellow shade that I use just to kind of brighten up parts of my face. I need a blending brush. I guess I'm actually just going to use the same blending brush. I'm going to dip into that yellow. And I'm just going to use that to help blend these outside edges, particularly in my outer corner, because that's where it's incredibly heavy. I just want to soften it just a teensy little bit. And had I gone in with the correct amount, I probably would have been able to skip this step. But really, a setting powder would work. You could just use a lighter shadow if you need to. There's always ways to clean things up. I actually really like the way this looks. It looks just cute and blended, and it reminds me of like a sunset. Wow, this eye look is going to be really quick. So now I'm going to take the Glamoween shade, that shimmery orange. I know I don't pick them up and show you. It's just they're loose and they're messy, and I don't want to make a mess. This is my SL Miss Glam N15. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm because I've never purchased from that brand before. But just any typical packing on eyeshadow, like normal brush. That's what I'm going in with. I'm going to dip right into that shadow, tap off the excess so we don't make the same mistake twice. And I'm just going to start piling this on the lid slowly, just because I don't want to make a huge mess. Oh, it's so sparkly and cute. Oh my goodness. I'm probably going to pop some of this on my lower lash line too after I smoke out that lower lash. Oh, cute. And I'm just going to blend this out. I didn't want like a crazy cut crease or anything today. Ooh, I like that. I know that's very simple, like incredibly simple, but that's why we're about to add a big wing and smoke out the lower lash line. For my wing, I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm really bad about talking about winged liner while I'm doing it on camera, but basically I draw my wing out as far as I want it, and then I usually draw a straight line across, and then I just kind of connect and fill it in. It's hard to explain. Wing liner is so personal, and it's one of those things you just have to practice. My wings always end up going bigger than I expected, but I mean, I always want a big wing anyway. dragging it down to my lower lash line just a tiny bit because I know I'm going to end up connecting that when I smoke out the lower lash. It's not my most perfect wing I've ever done, but it's not too imperfect either. I think my liner's drying out a little bit, which is making it a little more difficult. Just going to leave my eye slightly closed until it dries up, and then we will smoke out that lower lash line. I know it's weird for me to not look at you and talk, but I'm gonna preserve the swing as much as possible. Now for smoking out the lower lash line a little bit, I have my Boss pencil from Milk Makeup. It's such a good black. They sent it to me and I'm so obsessed with it. It's so creamy and smokes out so well. I'm actually only gonna take it about halfway across. I'm putting it in my waterline and a little bit under my lower lash line. Very cute. And then I like this pencil because it has the smudgy side on the other side. So I'm just going to take that and just lightly soften that smudge and make sure it kind of connects into my wing in the outer portion. I totally don't feel like you have to have a wing with every look. Like I just feel like it's kind of a dated thing now. I just don't think it's necessary anymore. However, I do just love the look of a good wing once in a while. I just feel so fierce and so good. And it really spices up a simple look like this. Going to take a little bit more of that matte orangey shade with the brush I used with it and just really start smudging right up on it in my lower lash. Making sure to look up just so I can get really nice and close. My goal is just to have a smudgy shadow kind of under here. I'm cool if it's a little grungy, a little smushy, all that good stuff. This little pencil brush I'm just using just to kind of help make sure the black is nice and smudged. It doesn't have any product on it. However, I actually am going to dip into this shadow. I'm going to take a little bit more of the NYX glitter primer with that pencil brush. Pop some of that glitter primer right underneath in this front portion of my lower lash line. Going to dip into some of that sparkly orange. And just start placing it right in the front. I love the look of shimmer right in this tear duct area. I just think it's so cute. I'm just gonna kind of smudge that into the black that we have going on. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I use with the matte, no additional product, just to blend that out. For the inner portion of my waterline, I'm gonna take my Torch pencil from Urban Decay. It's the only one I have that's semi-orange. Ooh, and I cannot do this while holding my mirror. Just want to pop this right in the front and have it just mesh into the black on the rest of it, just so it kind of flows from orange to black. This would have been really cute for Halloween. I mean, this is the Halloween, like the October bag, so it's appropriate, but this would have been really cute for Halloween time. I think to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take Ray Rider from Kaleidos Makeup. It's what I used on my face today. I think it will complement the look nicely. It's just a nice, I don't know, more warm tone, champagne-y kind of color. I feel like it complements oranges and yellows nicely. All right, well, that was the eye. I'm going to replicate it on the other side, throw it on my lashes, and I will come back with just the gloss so we can see what that looks like. All right, here we are with my lashes. These are the Rouge and Rogue Electra lashes. I forgot how much I love Rouge and Rogue lashes. These are so pretty. I love lashes. I don't care if you don't like lashes, I love them. And this is with just the Will-O-The-Wisp gloss. The gloss is so cute. It's like peachy and pinky and it looks so good. I just love how moisturizing they are. They feel so lovely. I actually don't want to take it off. I just think it looks so cute. But I'm going to take it off, put on just the black, show you just the black, and then we'll pop that gloss on. I'm doing so much for this. I should not have to do all this. Here we are with just the black. I like it. I do think I like Menagerie's Cricket Black Liquid Lipstick better than this one, but this one by no means is bad. It feels pretty comfortable. It went on fine. I guess let's just pop the gloss on. I might as well just keep you on camera because this will take me literally 2 seconds. I love how I said that and then my card filled up so I couldn't show you me applying it, but it literally took 2 seconds. I like the look of it. It's pretty. I don't know, it's very cool looking, but I personally just do not like dark glossy lips because it's just asking for disaster for me. I want something that's gonna stay put all day, and if I'm gonna wear a gloss, I want it to be light and sheer, and if it smudges, it won't be the end of the world. If this smudges, it's literally gonna be the end of the world because I'll be out doing errands all day. So, I mean, while it is a cute idea and it's a cute lip kit, and I think it goes cute with the orange eyes because it's purpley with the orange, it's Halloween-y. I like the idea of it. It's just personally not what I will ever wear. I could see myself wearing these separately. I'm grateful to get 2 lip products in this bag because I feel like I'm more likely to reach for those on the regular than one of the shadows. I do like the shadows, they're just not practical for me to just reach for constantly, but I don't think I'll wear it together. But I will wear it for the rest of the video at least. All right, well this is it. This is the end of the video. This is the final look. If you guys got this month's bag, did you like it? What do you think? I'm really happy with the shadows. I like that we got a matte and a shimmer because I was able to make just like a complete easy look. Obviously not my perfect colors, but I do really like that matte orange. I just like that it's such a squashy color. It's really cute. And again, I do like the lip colors separate. I just don't see myself wearing them together. I'm going to take this off as soon as I'm done filming and taking pictures. But yeah, I had fun with this month's bag. Next month's theme is Ghostly Glamour. I feel like we just did a ghost one. I guess Glamour Ghoul was last one, so I guess that might be different. We'll see what next month's is. I hope it's very wintry because that will be in December. We'll see though. I'm really excited. So yeah, if you made it to the end, leave a pumpkin emoji because it was the Pumpkin Queen bag, so I think that's appropriate. Also, if you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.